Hello, welcome to my project review blog for Monday, January 14th, 2019. For this review blog, I am going to be checking out Global Shakespeare's Video and Performance Archive. Now, to find this, I went to the Digital Humanities Google Doc, which will bring you to that list. And I found it in that list, and it'll bring you to this page. When this page opens up, it'll open up at the About the Archive page. And here you'll just get some excuse me, just some background information on the archive and what it is, like how it says here it is a collaborative project providing online access to performances of Shakespeare from many parts of the world, as well as essays and metadata provided by scholars and educators. And exactly. Go right down here. They have a statistics as of September 8, 2018 of everything of where all these projects takes place. So the biggest percentage is in Brazil, followed by Taiwan, South Korea, Mexico, Japan, China, Singapore, and so on and so forth. The shocking I found with the America with the smallest percentage, but that is just for me. And there are a lot more you could do to this. To find everything with this site, you'll go up here to the site guide, click on that, and it'll open up this, and it'll bring you to this page here about any ways to get started on the project. You could go to the home page, explore the featured productions or recently added collections, go through the entire video archive, which I will go there next, and then you could browse and then you can click on the interactive map. But for right now, I'll just go right over here to the video archive, and it'll open it up here. You can go all productions by Shakespeare play, by language, and by region. But for the sake of this, I will just go to all productions, and hopefully it'll bring it up, and there it goes. And here is a list of the productions. And this is just a small problem I'm having. Here it comes. The productions with videos, there are 187 of them. And they're all based on like Shakespeare works. So most of them I'm seeing here and that you're seeing are A Midsummer Night's Dream, and then A Taming of the Shrew. There's just a lot of products based on Shakespeare alone. So overall, I think this project is a good digital humanities project. I like the creative nature behind it, which I feel most which digital humanities projects really pique my interest when they are creative. I would recommend checking this one out. So that is my review of Global Shakespeare's Video and Performance Archive. Thank you for watching.